Picture this. You pop open your car trunk, ready for a road trip, but it's a total disaster. Groceries rolling around, tools scattered, and no idea where anything is. Sound familiar? Well, today we're changing that. We're diving into the top 5 car trunk organizers that will transform your trunk from chaos to order. Whether you're a busy parent, a weekend adventurer, or just love a tidy ride, these organizers are packed with features like durability, portability, and clever designs to keep everything in place. Stick around to find out which one's perfect for you, and let's get that trunk organized. Number 1. Kicking things off, the Hator Trunk Organizer is a must-have for anyone tired of a cluttered trunk. Built from sturdy Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, this organizer is tough enough to handle heavy use, supporting over 60 pounds with its thickened base panel. It boasts 2 large compartments and 6 stretchy mesh pockets, perfect for stashing groceries, tools, or sports gear. The adjustable Velcro strips let you fold it fully or halfway, so it fits anywhere: trunk, back seat, or front seat. Talk about versatility. The mesh pockets make it easy to spot and grab your items. No more digging around. When not in use, it folds flat for space-saving storage, making it ideal for tidy travelers. Measuring 21.3 inches long, 12.6 inches wide, and 10.6 inches high, it's compact yet roomy. If you want a durable, portable, and easy-to-use organizer to keep your car clutter-free, the Hator is a top contender. Find it in the description below. Number 2. The SPO-Suit Trunk Organizer is here to tame your trunk chaos with its massive 70-liter capacity. Measuring 23.6 inches long, 14.6 inches wide, and 12.2 inches high, it's perfect for sedans, SUVs, or vans. With 2 main compartments, 8 side cloth pockets, and 3 large mesh pockets, you've got space for everything: groceries, camping gear, you name it. Made from 600D Oxford polyester with strong stitching, it's built to last and super easy to clean with just a damp cloth and spray cleaner. The collapsible design lets you fold it up when not in use, freeing up space in your trunk or garage. Its Velcro securing system keeps it locked in place, so your items stay put during sharp turns. Whether you're hauling daily essentials or packing for an adventure, the SPO-Suit delivers. Ready to keep your car tidy and organized? Check out the link in the description. Number 3. The Fortem Car Trunk Organizer is all about strength and versatility, making it a standout for any car owner. Its sturdy box design, reinforced with rigid base plates, handles heavy loads without collapsing. With up to 3 compartments and multiple side pockets, it's perfect for organizing groceries, kids' toys, or office supplies. Non-slip strips and adjustable straps keep it secure in your trunk, even on bumpy roads. You can even connect multiple organizers with interlocking buckles for extra space. The collapsible design with a removable lid adds security by keeping your items out of sight. Measuring 20 inches long, 14.49 inches wide, and 10 inches high, it fits any vehicle from sedans to trucks. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you're after a multifunctional organizer that's built to last, the Fortem is a fantastic choice. Grab it via the link below. Number 4. If spills are your concern, the Homeave Car Trunk Organizer has you covered. Made from waterproof 600D Oxford polyester, it's abrasion resistant and keeps your items safe from water damage. It features 3 compartments with a removable divider, so you can customize the space to fit your needs, plus 12 extra pockets for quick access to smaller items like tools or snacks. Non-slip bottom strips and reinforced handles make it easy to move and keep everything in place. Measuring 22.5 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 13.4 inches high, it's spacious yet collapses for easy storage when not in use. This organizer fits all vehicles, cars, SUVs, or minivans, and is perfect for carrying groceries or sports equipment. If you want a waterproof, durable, and versatile solution, the Homeave is a winner. Check the link in the description. Last but not least, the Simnium Large Trunk Organizer is a powerhouse with a massive 95-liter capacity, ideal for big storage needs. Measuring 32 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 12 inches high, it's perfect for camping trips or grocery hauls. It has 3 large compartments with a removable subdivider for flexible organization, plus 5mm thick reinforced walls made from 600D Oxford polyester for unbeatable durability. The unique attachment system, with 2 elastic straps and hooks, ensures it stays secure even on rough roads. It's collapsible and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for any car owner. Whether you're heading out for an adventure or just need to organize daily essentials, the Simnium has the space and strength to handle it all. Find it in the description below. There you have it, the top 5 car trunk organizers to keep your vehicle neat and tidy. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. All the products we've covered are linked in the description, so check them out and grab the perfect organizer for your car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.